All right, here we go. We are here, guys, doing our ultimate advice to forex day trading. So we're gonna be talking about short selling. We're gonna be talking about bullish as well, going up. And also, guys, let's go ahead and giving a few minutes of silence to our veteran dates. Here in the United States, we do celebrate our federal holiday, so which is every year on November 11th, to honor our military veteran of United States Armed Forces. So let's go ahead and give them a respect. And welcome, guys. Welcome to our ultimate advice to forex day trading. Like I said, we're gonna be reviewing our short market and as well in our bullish market. So we're gonna be exposing what the market has to offer us this coming week. But I would really want to thank everybody for being here, guys. We are officially looking on the market. This is the week of November 14 to the 18. We're already in the mid of November, so welcome to November month. All right, so the first pair that we're gonna review today, guys, that is Euro USD. I want everybody to pay close attention what Euro USD. The market, guys, the market is very bullish. So if you have not paying attention, always look at here. I'm gonna be breaking down very slowly. Look at what the dashboard is telling us. It's telling us that we are in an uptrend. So we're gonna be exposing our bullish and our sell trend. So here is evidence that Euro USD is still very bullish. We just have our election, I think was on Tuesday, right? And so market is acting based on that. But let me go ahead and review it because you're here for different point of views. So what is the market doing, guys? Look at here. Multiple time frame and TW sniper interest letting us know the market is bullish. Look at it. When the bullish is active, we're gonna be getting these green stairs letting us know that yes, Euro USD is still bullish and will be continue bullish for the next week of our November. So remember, we are looking for the November November 14 to the 18. So in my opinion, this is what I'm seeing here on the market, guys. Market still have another 15-30 more pips. The market here will be creating a red arrow letting us know the market is gonna do a small pullback is not there yet, but we are gonna be looking this coming week, guys, for a small potential retracement, retesting this previous multiple time frame here. There's multiple time frame in the past as well. And then market will continue their origination trend, which is still bullish. So guys, this is what we're doing this week, guys. Let me go ahead and bring the logo because it's very important for you to understand what we're doing. So all we're doing is we're reviewing our short market and our bullish market. So we're gonna be exposing exactly what every trade we're gonna review. Basically, we're gonna review them with detail. So this is just to give you an advice of what the market is gonna be doing. So stay with me to the end, guys. Even if you follow one or two or all pairs that I'm gonna be giving you today, if by any means I'm missing one of pair that you want me to analyze, let me know in the comment below, or either send me a private telegram. The link is on the description of this video and I will review that video for you. Make sure you do support the channel by subscribing, okay? It's very important. All right, so the next pair that I have for you guys, that is USD CHF. Who in here it is trading USD CHF? Look at what USD CHF is doing, guys. This is very important. Look at the dashboard. What is the dashboard telling us? Look, it's telling us, hey, we all are selling. Remember, we are exposing our bullish and our short trend. So here it is. Here's the evidence. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard will always give you the answer, no matter what you're gonna be looking in the market. You're always gonna be looking at this at ahead of time. Look at what the multiple time frame is letting us know here. Boom. What is TW sniper interest saying? Boom. It's saying that we are bearish. What is the market doing? Look at here. You knew already it was bearish because based on the dashboard gave you the answer. But look at here. Continuation. In my opinion, guys, here's previous multiple time frame in here. So market is gonna come back to this previous multiple time frame. What are we looking for here, guys? What are we looking for in here? What do you guys think? We are looking, probably this is gonna happen, guys, maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday next week. We are gonna be looking for those pullbacks, but market still bearish in this trend here. So pullback is gonna get ready by then, and then market will make that small retracement going up, retest the previous multiple time frame here. So that's what I have the line in there, and then market will continue as their original trend, which is selling. So USD CHF is still selling, so we're waiting for that pullback. If you don't know how to trade pullback, just don't trade it. The market here, it is selling. And remember one thing, guys, is very important for everyone in here. Please, guys, do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose. This business very risky. You can win huge, you also can blow your account. If you need help or you want me to teach you how to trade, please let me know in the comment below, and I will be more than happy to teach you and give you a private 101 for free. But I want everybody to win. So all I'm asking you guys here, if you haven't subscribed, hopefully I earned your thumbs up by now. Make sure you support the channel by giving us a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So USD CHF still selling, and hopefully that makes sense. All right, so the next pair that I have for you guys, it is GBP USD. Boom! Look at this beautiful trend here. Oh, yeah! Woo! That was loud. That was really loud. So what we're looking here on GBP USD is the market here. Actually, wait. I need to teach you in a different way. Pay close attention what the dashboard is saying here, guys. Look at here. Always pay attention to the dashboard. We always like to look at the market on 4 hours and daily time frame. Look at what the dashboard is saying. The question here is the dashboard letting us know that we are going down, or is the dashboard letting us know that we're going up? What do you guys think? Look at here. We already know the answer automatically. We already know exactly what we need to be looking. So here on the dashboard is telling us, hey Irvin, we are selling the market. I'm sorry, going bullish on the market. So market is going up. Then look at the multiple time frame going with the original TWE. Here's your multiple time frame. Here's your TWE sniper enter. Look at the stairs. Boom. Look at the multiple time frame again. One confirmation two. Look what the market is doing. You already knew the market was going up, right? So look at here, boom. If they respect this one, obviously, because the original trend here is bullish. And it's now here's another multiple time frame in the previously. So all I'm saying, guys, market is still gonna go up for another 30 to 40 more pips. Then here we are expecting to see a red arrow coming down, saying that yes, market is gonna give us a pullback. So pullback is gonna come back to this previous multiple time frame once. It's gonna come back here, multiple time frame twice. Future, then market will continue on that buy trend. So GBP USD up today, guys. Market here, it is bullish. Okay, I want you to understand that. So we are reviewing, guys, our ultimate advice. Well, I'm giving you an advice to what the Forex market is going to be doing, looking on the short trend, either on the bullish trend. So we are exposing every trade with details. If I'm confusing you, or I'm going too fast, or you want me to make a video and upside, I will be more than happy to do it for you. Okay, so all right, so let me give you another pair, guys. The next pair that I have is Euro Canadian. Guys, if there's any video that like I said, if you guys want me to review any video, I don't care what video it is, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to do it, because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to give you a trend. All right, so here's Euro Canadian, guys. Pay a close attention to this pair here. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard don't lie, man. Look at this. Boom. Look at it. Don't worry about the trend yet. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is giving you the answer already. So the question here is, Irvin, is the market going down or going up? So green mean going up, right? And red mean coming down. So obviously you're seeing here, market is going where? It's going up. Now let's confirm if that is true. Remember, we are already on the second week of November, guys. So market is here, is going very quick. So please don't blow your account. Christmas is coming. Look at here, multiple time frame is here. TW sniper entry is here. Look at here, first stairs, it's just firm. Look at what the market is doing here, guys. Where is the market going? Market is going bullish. So it already did respect this previous multiple time frame. Why do you think it did respect this previous multiple time frame? Because the original trend here is bullish. If it's bullish, obviously it had to break the previous high and it will continue back up. But in here, look at here. This is very important for you to know what the hell is going on here. So all I'm seeing here is market still gonna go another 30 more pips. So we're expecting to see here a red arrow, another pullback. Look at here, boom. Guys, the month of November, the trend is very clear. There's no confusion. If you are still getting confused on the market, please let me know. Send me a private IM me and let me know. I will give you a private one-on-one this coming Tuesday or Wednesday or whenever you want. But the goal here is to help you, okay? So all I'm seeing here is the market is gonna give us a pullback. Look at here, it's gonna come back to this previous multiple time frame here. That's what I draw it in there. The market in here will continue after that pullback, will continue up, because here the trend here is only going in one direction, and that it is bullish. It's not doing anything else. I love to trade USD 30, guys. Hopefully you guys also trade that pair. If you, I'm not gonna review it. I have it in here on my chart, but I'm not gonna review it. But if you guys want me to make a video on that, please let me know. Or if there's any pair that you want me to review it, comment below, or either send me a private Telegram. The link is in the description. Everybody can join our free Telegram as well. So that's what it is. All right, so let me give you the next pair, guys. Hopefully everybody is finding this videos valuable, guys. So make sure that you do subscribe, support the channel by giving us a thumbs up, and share this video with the world so everybody can stop paying for signal, because nobody should be paying for signal, remember. And let's give let's honor our veteran as well. It's a federal holiday. It was November 11, but it was still on the weekend. So here it is, guys. So we are honoring our military veteran of the United States Armed Forces. All right, so let's go ahead and give you now gold. Gold is one of the most tradable pair in the world, guys, to be honest. Look at the dashboard, guys. If anyone here is getting confused, I don't know what the hell I need to do extra. Look at here. Look at the dashboard. Boom. The dashboard is sick, guys. It's telling you, it's giving you exactly the answer. Look at that. It's telling you, hey, I'm bullish. I'm bullish. But be careful, because yes, the market is bullish. If you pay attention here, look at the bullish candle. It's getting weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker, and it tried to get back up stronger, but it fell. So my opinion, market is still gonna go up another probably to level 1784. It's gonna come to this high here. It's gonna give us a red arrow here, giving us a pullback. So everything is trying to get a pullback this coming week anyway. So pullback is gonna come to level 1784, which is this level right here, right? 1784. From that level, market is gonna give us that pullback, retesting what? Retesting our previous multiple time frame. So it's gonna come back to level 1737, and then from there market will continue as bullish. Do not forget our trend here, it is bullish. It's very important to always stay with the trend, guys. I always tell everyone, rule number one, guys, learn how to trade. Learn the rules. Don't pay for signal. Don't pay for signal. You need to master, this business, because that's the only way you're gonna earn money. All right. So, and guys, I want to thank everybody for being here. To be honest, thank you for supporting the channel. Make sure you do subscribe, and let's honor our military veterans of United States Armed Forces. And I want to thank you. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless the world, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Once again, guys, thank you, and I will see you back on our next video. Peace out.